how to upgrade your level on XpinoMoney. It's so easy. All you have to do, log into XpinoMoney. As you log in as a new user, you will be under the reseller plan. Now, for you to get items cheaper, you will want to upgrade to at least the partner level. So what do you do? Just go to my account, left-hand corner, click on my account. You see some options there. At the bottom, you see upgrade plan. What do you have to do? Click on upgrade plan. When you do that, a new page will appear. On the page, you see plan upgrade. From your present plan of reseller, you can move to partner level. If you click on partner level, the partner level costs 500 naira to upgrade from reseller to partner. If you click on upgrade account, the portal will debit you 500 naira. The interesting part of this is if you refer someone, ensuring that the person uses your referral code, your referral link to register, the moment the person upgrades to partner, the portal will automatically pay you 200 naira as your referral bonus. Now, on that particular my account, there are other things you can do there. We have share money, not sharing money to bank, please, sharing money to the wallet of another user of XpinoMoney. If you click on all transactions, you will see everything you have done on XpinoMoney. Referral earning, when you refer someone, when the person buys some items, you get a cut out of our profit. All those cuts which appear as your bonus will show under referral earning. Price list. When you click on price list, you see the prices of all items on XpinoMoney. Update profile. On update profile, you can go there to change your phone number, change your name. Now, if you wish to change your password, just go to change password. We have just mentioned upgrade plan. So that is the way you can upgrade your plan from the initial level, reseller level to partner level. Thank you for trading with us.